Hi Zach, I've looked over your lesson plan and here's my feedback. There's a lot of things that I really like in here. Let me show you. So I love the fact that that you noted this up here, right? I look back on my lesson plan, I realized I didn't provide them their own STEM, so I'm going to delve into this again. I like the kind of like honest reflection that you're putting in there, okay? So start in class with DGP, right? I reviewed your work. We're going to get a 100% track record. I often like your sense of humor that you involve in your teaching right here. That's good, okay? Great. So using the callback method on exactly what a thesis is, and then using a think aloud, right? And your think alouds, I think that's going to be one of your strengths when you're teaching, because you walk step by step by step through the think aloud, so that then it's fair game. You can ask your students, right? What was my first step? Did you do step 1? What was step 2? Did you do step 2? Right? That's going to make answering questions in class and holding kids accountable so much easier, so much more efficient, right? We had 6 steps in this process. Show me where you did step 1, step 2, step 3. Oh, you missed step 3. There you go. Go ahead and do that. I'll be back around in a few minutes, and it's great how you did like, okay, here's my topic. Is it arguable? Yes. Am I still interested? Yes. All right. Did I answer all of the pieces, right? Who, what, when, where, why, and how? Let's check it out. Okay, here's my sentence. Let's go through, check, 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 check. I mean, you're showing them such lockstep writing strategy that I think it will really help the kids feel less stressed. The kids who say, I'm not a good writer. Oh, no worries. Like, there's 6 steps to making sure that you've got good writing. Like, do those and you'll be fine. Like, oh my God, that's so easy. All right. So then you started with some thesis worksheets. Same steps we've gone over, but now you have a visual representation of everything. So again, you're hitting multiple modalities in that. All right. And then here, which of the following thesis statements would you like to work on? Right, assuming they pick number 2, so here you are kind of honoring their right to choose in the classroom how they learn and what they learn. And then bringing their voices in with the think, pair, share, and then saying, okay, here's your topic. Now remember, we can't go on to write something, we can't write that something is a thing too, right? So what do? Oh, let's guided practice through the 6 steps again. Have them come up with a thesis statement. So that way they've seen you model it, they've guided their way through it. Now they're going for independent practice with their steps. It's really beautifully done, Zach. I think it's nice, lockstep, good modeling, very concrete. Okay, nicely done. Thank you.